welcome to the fourth episode of Speechcraft, where I write and present speeches for you. This educational series of speeches is to help learners advance their speech and presentation skills. Today's speech topic is Independence Day, and it's a very special episode made on a special request by one of your comments. This speech is specifically designed for college students. So if you are a college student, you can watch this, but if you are a school student, you should watch the next episode. The fifth episode is on Independence Day for school students. It's a 5 minutes long speech. Make sure you watch the speech till the end to get bonus presentation tips. There is no time for lamentation. Our country is facing an enemy like none before. It is time for us to be bold and be ready for sacrifice. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. These were the words of Swami Vivekananda. Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, esteemed guests, and my dear friends. Today, we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion in the history of our nation, the Independence Day. This day, the 15th of August, marks the anniversary of India's hard won freedom from the colonial rule. It is a day of pride, remembrance, and reflection as we honor the sacrifices of those who fought tirelessly for our independence. Independence Day is not just a date on the calendar. It's a profound symbol of our nation's resilience and the unyielding spirit of its people. India has been ruled by Britishers for almost 200 long years, and after continuous struggle by our freedom fighters, we achieved independence on 15th of August 1947. As college students standing on the threshold of our future, it is imperative that we understand the significance of this day and responsibilities it bestows upon us. The struggle for independence was long and arduous, marked by immense sacrifices and unparalleled bravery. From the revolt of 1857 to the Quit India movement of 1942, our ancestors faced oppression, injustice, and brutality with unwavering determination. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and countless others inspired the masses with their vision and courage. Their sacrifices remind us of the freedom is not given but earned through perseverance and unity. Independence is more than just absence of foreign rule. It embodies the principles of democracy, justice, and equality. It is about our right to express our thoughts and the ability to pursue our dreams and the duty to contribute to the nation's progress. As we celebrate this day, we must remember that true independence is achieved when every citizen enjoys these rights and opportunities. As the youth of this nation, we are the torchbearers of its future. Our actions, decisions, and attitudes will shape the destiny of India. It is our responsibility to uphold the values of our constitution, to promote unity in diversity, and to work towards a society that is inclusive and equitable. Education, innovation, and social responsibility are the pillars on which we must build India for tomorrow. Since getting independence, India has made remarkable strides in various fields, from technology and science to arts and sports. We have built a robust democracy, achieved economic growth, and made significant contributions to global stage. However, challenges persist. Poverty, inequality, environmental degradation, and social unrest. It is crucial that we address these issues with a sense of urgency and commitment. India was once called Sone ki Chidiya, which means we had abundant resources. Ours was a rich land full of minerals and rocks. We were the home to world's largest spice market and productive human workforce. The Britishers stripped us off and looted us. On this Independence Day, let us pledge to making India the Sone ki Chidiya once again. One wealth no one can take away from us is our education. Let us embrace the spirit of excellence and work collectively towards overcoming the challenges that lie ahead. I would like to end my speech with a few lines by Maithili Sharan Gupta. Even if the sky falls or the earth shatters, I will remain an Indian, holding the tricolor in my hands, proud of my heritage. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you liked the speech and thank you for staying till the end. The tips for today are first is you need to choose a clear message that you want to give, okay, and stick to it. Second is to look at the dignitaries while greeting them. Like we say, good morning, so and so, sir, good morning, principal ma'am, good morning, my dear friends, good morning, teachers. Whenever you say these names, just give a quick glance at them. That, gives a better impact. Third is to keep it short. Okay, a short speech is always an impactful one. All right. And I have pasted the whole speech in the description for your convenience, whether you want it for a speech or an essay. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Make sure you connect with me on WhatsApp and Telegram. I hope my Speechcraft video series is helping you. More comments for the future videos are welcome. Good luck with your speech and keep shining bright.